Fulfilling our civic duty to pay taxes is essential, but navigating the complex process of filing them can be more challenging than the act of payment itself. The intricacies in tax filing demand an understanding of various technicalities, from deciphering complex forms to grasping deductions and credits. Our focus today is on addressing potential queries and difficulties during this process. The national obligation to pay taxes comes with a web of rules and regulations requiring taxpayers to be well versed in the system's nuisance. Each step from form deciphering to navigating tax laws changes presents its own challenges. Our discussion aims to unravel common concerns, demystify complexities, and offers clarity, empowering individuals to fulfill their civic duty confidently and navigate the tax fulfilling process more smoothly. As the 2024 tax season deadline approaches on April 15th, 2024, if you're unable to file by then, rest assured that you still have options. Hey guys, for more enthralling content like this, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. If you earn less than 13,850 for single individuals or 27,000 for married couples filing together in 2023, you might not have to fill out a tax return, but it could still be a good idea to do it. For many people, especially those with lower incomes, there are benefits that could give you more money back as a refund. There are a few important things to pay attention to. Make sure you get all advantages you can. The main point is, even if you don't have to file your taxes because your income is low, doing it might still be beneficial. You could get more money back in a refund, and there are certain things you should check to make sure you're not missing out on any potential benefits. Over withholding. If you worked in 2023 and had taxes withheld from your paycheck, you could get some or a lot of that money back into your tax refund. Collect W 2 forms from all your employers, filling out your tax forms. Input the information from these forms. This ensures you receive any over withheld amount as part of your refund. It's a simple step to make sure you get back the extra money you're owed. The Earned Income Tax Credit. If you worked or were self employed in 2023 and earned less than 63,698, you might be eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit EITC. To claim this credit, you need to file a tax return. The maximum amount you could receive depends on the number of qualifying children you have. $600 if you have dependent children, 3,995 if you have one qualifying child, 6,604 if you have two qualifying children, 7,430 if you have three or more qualifying children. This credit is a way to provide financial support to individuals with lower incomes, so be sure to check if you qualify and include it in your tax return to potentially receive these additional benefits. The Child Tax Credit (CTC). The Child Tax Credit (CTC) can be as much as $2,000 per qualifying child with up to $1,500 refundable. To qualify, you need to have earned more than $2,500. This credit is aimed at providing financial support to families with children, potentially offering refunds and lowering the overall tax obligations. If eligible, consider claiming the CTC when filing your tax returns. To access these benefits, different ways to file your taxes. If you're among the approximately 100 million eligible individuals for tax free filing, you can retain your entire refund by opting for certain options. You have the opportunity to utilize in person full service tax preparation service provided by the IRS Volunteer Income Tax Assistance (VITA), AARP Foundation Tax Aid, and the Tax Counseling for the Elderly (TCE) programs. These programs, with over 50 years of operation, employ IRS certified tax preparers who adhere to high IRS quality standards, ensuring the accuracy of your return. To qualify for appointments with VITA/TCE and tax aid sites, you should 1. Generally earn $60,000 or less. 2. Have a disability. 3. Possess limited English skills or speak English as a second language. Or 4. Be 60 years or older. By meeting these criteria, you can benefit from these long standing free programs, ensuring accurate tax preparation and maximizing your refund. Please note, while some VITA or AARP tax aid sites operate year round, others close at the end of tax season. When searching for a site, check the dates open column to ensure you find ones that plan to stay open after April 15, 2024. For remote, full service, free tax preparation, consider using MyFreeTaxes if your income is 73,000 or less. You can prepare your own return with assistance from IRS certified volunteers if needed. If your income is 66,000 or less, you can connect with VITA providers nationwide virtually by signing up through Get Your Refund to have your return prepared. For free self preparation, individuals with an income of 73,000 or less may be eligible to prepare and file federal income tax returns online using guided tax preparation software through IRS Free File. Be cautious as eligibility for free products varies among providers, and some may charge fees for state returns. Review offers carefully and access this service through the IRS link rather than going directly to websites for the guided tax preparation software. Service members and their families can access free tax filing through meal tax if they fall into the following categories: 1. Active duty service members along with their spouses and dependent children. 2. Members of the National Guard and Reserve, irrespective of activation status. 3. Retired and honorably discharged service members, including Coast Guard veterans, within 365 days of their discharge. 4. Family members managing the affairs of an eligible service member during their deployment. 5. Designated family members of severely injured service members unable to handle their own affairs. 6. Eligible survivors of active duty National Guard and Reserve deceased service members, regardless of conflict or activation status. 7. Some members of the Defense Department's civilian expeditionary workforce. These individuals can take advantage of meal tax to prepare and file their tax returns at no cost. Consider these factors before using fee-based tax preparer. Before choosing a fee-based tax preparer, consider factors such as the complexity of your return. Explore free filing options. Check the preparer's qualifications and history through resources like the IRS Directory and Better Business Bureau. Inquire about service fees, ensure post filing support availability, and retain control over your tax documents. Verify the preparer's signature and preparer's tax identification number (PTIN), and exercise caution if additional products like refund anticipation checks are offered, as they may affect your final refund amount. Taking these precautions can help you make informed decisions when selecting a tax preparer. Understand refund anticipation checks and refund advance loans. If you're using a fee-based tax preparer and lack upfront fees, they might suggest a refund anticipation check (RAC) or a refund advance loan (RAL). With a RAC, you pay the tax preparer fee from your refund, while a RAL offers an upfront portion of your expected refund with the rest received after the IRS issued it. Both options involve fees, and RALs may have interest. Consider these carefully, as the IRS typically issues refund in less than 21 days for electronic filings, making substantial fees for short-term advances less cost-effective. Evaluate all fees, charges, and timing to make the best decision for your situation. To quickly and securely access your tax refund, always prefer 1. Electronic filing. Opt for electronic filing for a faster process. 2. Direct deposit. Choose a direct deposit to receive your refund within 21 days. 3. Bank or credit union. Have account details ready for automatic deposit. 4. Prepaid cards. Confirm routing and account numbers with your card provider. 5. Open an account. Consider opening a bank account online for direct deposit. 6. Prepaid card. Caution: be wary of fees associated with prepaid cards suggested by preparers, including out of network ATM fees. Beware of tax scams. Scammers posing as the IRS may try to trick you into sharing personal information, leading to financial loss and identity theft. The IRS does not contact taxpayers through email, text, or social media for such information. Learn to recognize scams, signs, and verify the legitimacy of IRS communication to protect yourself from fraudulent activity. Stay vigilant. That's all for today. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.